control in the first half. There's Musun. This is an effort, crash back off the bar. Goes for the clip over the top of the keeper. Mustapha Mohamed managed to get a touch. Somalia caught in midfield. Here comes the shot from Abdelaziz. Just bounces up in front of the goalkeeper. Musun following in the rebound. Just prods home to give Oman a 1-0 lead. Fantastic shot there by Abdelaziz. There's that touch forward. It's a toe poke towards Musun. He recognises that Mustapha Mohamed is coming after his goal. Waits for the contact. Referee Benoit points to the penalty spot. There goes the penalty to the back of the net by Salah. 2-0 to Oman. After the break, well, just before the break, sorry, it's the skipper Abdullahi with the first shot on target for Somalia. Here comes the goal that got them back into the game. Keeping the ball alive. It's all about the final ball, the cross to the far post. Headed home by Somalia. Game on. Fans absolutely crazy in the far stand. Giggly just heading the ball downwards. No chance for the goalkeeper. Here's another chance. It's the substitute Issa Ahmad with a fine shot. At the other end, Oman pushing forward. Musun again. Sees his effort come back off the crossbar. So close to grabbing a hat-trick tonight, Musun. Last chance. Somalia pushing forward, and it took a fine save from the skipper in goal for Oman. Tries to save the day. What a fabulous encounter. Fabulous commitment shown by the Somalian players. Final score here at the Jassim bin Hamad Stadium: Oman 2, Somalia 1. Fantastic night here.